Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, August 2nd, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. And it's closed at another all-time high. Dow Jones Industrial Average opened up or closed up 30 points for the day. It wasn't that way all day. They came out with kind of a mixed bag jobs report this morning, and the market actually tanked right at the beginning, but then managed to build strength throughout the day. It was a fabulous day for us, an absolute opposite of what happened yesterday. The market started down, pretty hard down, as a matter of fact, and we just got better and better and better all day long and finished very, very strong. We actually closed out almost $20,000 in closed trades today, and we're carrying $3,000 in open trade equity. So it was a great day. I just want to point something out today that was really interesting to me, at least. Yesterday I was complaining about, some days the system just doesn't seem to work. And yesterday, when the market opened, if we had just got out when the market opened, we would have made about $11,000 more than what we did by hanging on to those positions all day and then kind of just slipping out at the end with a lot of lost profits, even though we did close profitably yesterday. Today was just the opposite. We started very small and just build and build all day, and we got out with a whopping $23,000 by the end of the day. I just wrote down the time frame here. Yesterday on the close we had $2,700 in open trade positive. On the open this morning we had $4,000 in open trade. 30 minutes into the market day we had $11,000 in open trade, and after 3 1/4 hours we had almost $26,000 in open trade. So we get out with basically $23,000. We got almost all of it, and we got it by staying in and trading the system. And that's the way systems work. There's no rigid system that's going to always be right all the time. But if you stick with one pattern consistently, you'll make a lot of money, and that's exactly what happened today. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, our zigzaggy up pattern that we've been seeing the last several days. And you come in here and we can see what happened today. On the open, we got that kind of mixed bag jobs report data, and the market reacted negatively. It came down. It may have been down 60 or 70 points on the low here, but then it just build all day, and you can zoom in here and see what happened right this last 15 minutes. It had a little pop up. I'm looking for higher trading on Monday because of that, and the market did end up closing up 30 points. So that looks very positive for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I'll just show you a couple charts here. It's kind of interesting. We had one big trade today that I'm going to show you that was worth over $10,000, but we made $20,000, and that other $10,000 was made up of just a lot of good, positive little trades, nothing spectacular. And this is one of those trades in HK or Halcon Resource Corp. And we bought this yesterday. It looks like about 2 hours into the day, and it basically didn't do too much. It was slightly positive on the close, but this morning it really takes off. And what's interesting here is this is where the money was made, really, in this first hour and a half or so, and that market is going absolutely the opposite of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And this was the pattern with virtually all our trades today. They just ignored the Dow and made very nice positive gains. So if we had gotten out on the open like I thought we should have yesterday, we wouldn't have gotten anything out of this. And if we hung on to it like it was yesterday, we would have seen the market going down like this. Didn't happen today. Took right off, made some nice profits here, and we finally got out here pretty close to the high. That's close enough for me. We got out of that with about $2,500 in profits. That was one of the nice smaller trades that we had today. Now I'll show you the big one that's really nice. And let's get that here. This is in Yelp. Yelp. Hey, this was fantastic. First of all, I want to point out, we bought this thing yesterday on this harrowing push up. I mean, just look at this huge gap up. When we were buying this at the tippy top. I mean, most people don't want to buy a market when it's up that high. It just looks like that's the worst place in the world to buy it. And Yelp just kind of cruised along here. It closed, I don't know, that's pretty much neutral. But again, this morning, just like Helcon did, Yelp took off when the Dow was tanking and made very strong market there. Came back just a little, came back up, and we get out of this thing almost on a high. We got out, I mean, we made money on this by hanging on to it again. And guess what that trade is worth? That trade was worth almost $11,000. So in spite of the fact we bought this at the very high back here on yesterday, we're getting out today almost at the tippy top, and we're getting out with almost $11,000. Great trade. Hey, this was a great Friday, great way to end the week. You guys all have a great weekend. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you on Monday.